We're the Horrocks family, and we're pro-bird.
So we just want to spread the word about how awesome birds are.
I wish more people knew that they're not that scary. They're very colorful.
We were never anti-bird. Let's make that clear.
True.
There's nothing like having a bird fly right at you that induces sheer panic. But then that panic turns to joy once you get used to it.
And comfort.
I like creating bird art. Just some birds I drew. I don't even know what kind of bird. They are birds. But like most people think that like dogs can do like all the like cool tricks and stuff. Birds can too. Roll over!
Roll over, Ray.
Yay! Yay!
Yeah, I would say we're really welcoming to all birds. Just the other night, we heard some chirping in our chimney.
I think I could sense that it would be safe here, you know?
Yeah, but would we want that bird flying around in our house? Absolutely not.
Well, bird dads are it's very involved. I mean, all the bird dads out there, go parakeets. Like this ball, it's a instant win for the bird parents right out there. Get those balls.
So, having a bird in the house has really opened my eyes to how wonderful birds are.
Yeah, I think I love them a little bit.
And we really try to be very positive about birds. We've stopped using anti-bird language. Things like silly goose. Gooses are actually not silly at all.
Roy, you cheated, you bird brain!
Hey, we don't use that kind of language. You need to apologize.
Being pro-bird and like a positive bird home, we play bird games.
Oh look, it's a barred owl.
We watch birds. We spot birds.
Look, it's a black-legged kittiwake.
Guys, come look! It's a common crow!
Ah!
What?
Look! Wait, that's crazy!
Read books about birds. When I'm down, just to hear the little chirping just soothes my soul. This little guy's, he's like my therapy. How can you not be happy with this, you know?
We call it our therapy bird.
If you're considering a bird as a pet, I'd do it. They're a lot of fun.
I love birds!
Oh!